Hello everyone, welcome to e-Vivekaam. In this video, we are going to discuss answers for Ganga drainage system questions of Prelims Yukti Test Series. Let us start the discussion. Coming to first question, which of the following national parks is located along the tributary of the Ganga river? Actually, Ganga river lies in northern plains. But if you see the options, we know that Kaziranga National Park is in Northeast India, that is Assam. And Gir National Park is in Gujarat. So, outrightly we can eliminate these two options. If we see Jim Corbett and Nanda Devi National Parks, Nanda Devi National Park lies on the bank of Dhauli Ganga. In Jim Corbett National Park, it lies on the banks of Ram Ganga. Both have name Ganga on it. Now among these two, what is the tributary of Ganga river? See, while reading about different prayags, we study that Dhauli Ganga meets with Alkananda at Vishnu Prayag. Actually, Alkananda is here and Dhauli Ganga is here. This is the Vishnu Prayag. After Vishnu Prayag, we come across Nanda Prayag. After Nanda Prayag, Karna Prayag and Rudra Prayag. And here we will get Dev Prayag. This is the origin of Ganga river. So, how come Dhauli Ganga become the tributary of Ganga? Ganga river originates here and Dhauli Ganga originates here. So, we can eliminate Dhauli Ganga option. So, the remaining answer is Ram Ganga. Actually, Ram Ganga is the tributary of Ganga. So, answer is Jim Corbett National Park. If we see the tributaries of Ganga, the left bank tributaries are Ram Ganga, Gomati, Ghaghara, Gandak and Kosi. And right bank tributaries are Yamuna and Son. So, Ram Ganga is the tributary of Ganga river on whose banks the Jim Corbett National Park lies. Okay, moving to the next question. Which of the following rivers does not originate in the Himalayas but is still a tributary of Ganga? Yamuna, Son, Ghaghara, Kosi. If you observe, Yamuna, Ghaghara, Kosi, all these three are originating from the Himalayas. But if you see Son river, it originates at Amarkantak Plateau. Among the right tributaries of Ganga, only Yamuna and Son are the significant and important rivers. Among them also, Yamuna rises at Yamunotri Glacier in Himalayas and Son origins at Amarkantak Plateau. So answer is Son, because it is not getting originated in Himalayas but is still a tributary of Ganga. Next one. The Ganga river basin is known for which type of drainage pattern? First of all, what is this drainage pattern? See, over the period of time, the structure of the rocks, the slope of the rocks, the amount of water which it holds, everything changes, because of which the river flowing through that rock, it will change its pattern. There are different types of river patterns that are radial, dendritic, trellis, rectangular, annular, centripetal, etc. In these patterns, which pattern does Ganga river follow? That is the question. First we will discuss about each option. Coming to radial pattern. See, when the rivers originate in the hill like this, they flow in all directions. One river here like this. This is called radial pattern. Radial pattern look like this. From one point, many rivers origin and flow in different directions. For example, you take Amarkantak Plateau. Narmada river flows here and Son river flows here. So it is the example of radial pattern. And next, dendritic pattern. If the flow of the river resembles the branches of tree like this, then it is called dendritic pattern. Almost all the rivers of northern plains follow this pattern. Even if you see Ganga river tributaries, Yamuna river tributaries, you will see this pattern. And trellis. If the primary tributaries of river flow parallelly and the secondary tributaries join them at right angles, like this, it is called trellis pattern. Most of the rivers in Chota Nagpur Plateau, which originate in Chota Nagpur Plateau, they follow this pattern. And coming to rectangular, here the tributaries almost join at right angles like this. So the Ganga river basin, we have already discussed that almost all the rivers of northern plains follow dendritic pattern. So here the answer is dendritic. Actually the rivers of Vindhya range, they follow this rectangular pattern. So with this, we have covered almost all the important patterns with examples. Moving to next question. Which of the following pairs regarding the tributaries of Ganga river and their characteristics is correctly matched? Gandak is the left bank tributary of Ganga. Son is the left bank tributary of Ganga. If you observe, Gandak is on the left bank tributary of Ganga. Actually, to understand which is the left bank tributary and which is the right bank tributary, just imagine yourself standing at the origin of Ganga and you are also moving along the Ganga river like this. So whatever rivers you are seeing left of you are the left bank tributaries and which rivers you are seeing in the right of the right bank tributaries. If you observe here, Yamuna and Son are the major right bank tributaries. Gomati, here Ramganga also will be there. Ramganga, Gomti, Gagara, Gandak, Kosi, all these are left bank tributaries. In the question they mentioned that Gandak is the left bank tributary of Ganga. Right. Son is the right bank tributary. But here they gave it is left bank, so it is wrong. If we eliminate 2, we are left with A, C and D. Gagara. Gagara flows through Nepal before entering India. Yes, actually if you see India map, it will be like this. Actually there is a river named Sarada in Uttarakhand, here, Sarada river, and Karnali river in Tibet. So Karnali river flows like this through Nepal and Sarada river flows like this. Here they will meet and from here this river Gagara starts. So Gagara flows through Nepal before entering India. Yes, the Karnali flows through Nepal now. So Gagara flowing through Nepal is the right option. And the next one, Kosi. Kosi is known as the sorrow of Bihar due to frequent floods. Yes, this is the factual statement. So here the answer is 1, 3 and 4. I'll ask you one question. Kosi is called sorrow of Bihar. Which river is called sorrow of Bengal? Because of so much slit carried by a river, it constantly changes its river course, which is leading to frequent floods in Bengal. It is none other than Damodar river. Same thing applies to Kosi river also. Bihar faces lot of floods because of the Kosi river. Okay, coming to next question. Kosi river is known for its frequent changes in course leading to floods in the northern plains. This is what we discussed in the last question. This phenomenon is mainly due to which of the following reasons? Here they are asking what is the reason behind frequent floods caused by the Kosi river. Okay, the river flows through loose alluvial soil which leads to frequent shifts in its course. So many rivers pass through loose soils, but that should not be the main reason for the frequent floods, no? Next one. The river originates in a tectonically active zone in the Tibetan plateau. Yes, Kosi river originates in Tibet, but that is not the main reason for its floods. If you observe, rivers Gandaki, Gagara, all originates in Tibet only, but they are not causing floods. Only Kosi is the reason for floods in Bihar. So this also should not be an answer. The river is fed by monsoonal rains which cause excessive slit deposition in its lower course. Yes, this is the main reason. Because of the excessive slit, over time with heavy rains, it carries lot of slits and sediments. And because of the weight of that sediment, it can't maintain the same direction of flow. See, if the river is passing like this, now because of rains, it is carrying so much slit. Now the river is carrying so much slit. It can't bear that much weight. So at some point of time, it deposits some slit here. And now it changes its course like this. This change in river course is the main reason for the floods. So C is the answer. The presence of numerous barrages and embankments in the river's path causes disruption in its natural flow. No, this is not the main reason. Maybe this is one of the sub-reasons, but it is not the main reason. Here they asked this phenomenon is mainly due to which of the following reasons. All of these reasons mentioned here may be somehow or other connected to the floods, but this is the main reason. So C is the answer. Next question. Arrange the following cities situated on the banks of Ganga river from east to west. You can find such similar questions in CDS and CAPF. Okay, coming to the explanation. The question is asking, arrange the cities from east to west. Means like this. If you observe, Varanasi, Allahabad, Kanpur, all three lies in UP. But Patna, it lies in Bihar. If you know any basics of Indian map, we know that UP is here and Bihar is here. Obviously, when we come from east to west, we encounter Bihar first, so Patna should come first. So 2 is first. In all options, 2 is there. Okay, now we will see Varanasi, Allahabad and Kanpur. If you have ever been to Varanasi, you might have known that Varanasi is close to Bihar, here, at the right of UP, at most right in Uttar Pradesh. So second option is Varanasi, 2, 1. So we can eliminate B and D. And now we are left with Allahabad and Kanpur. Okay, I belong to South India. I don't know much about North Indian cities. How can I attempt this answer? Just think. We are left with Allahabad and Kanpur. If you guys have any basic idea on the location of cities, see, Madhya Pradesh is here. We know that Kanpur is so close to Madhya Pradesh. So we can place it here. Now we are left with Allahabad. With this knowledge, we can take calculated risk and mark answer as 2, 1, 3, 4 because Kanpur is at utmost west. Allahabad is here. Actually, the answer is also 2, 1, 3, 4. Actually, for exam's sake also, you can't remember the location of each and every major city. You have to arrive at answer by taking wild guesses like this. Next one. The National Waterway 1 is one of the most significant inland waterways in India developed along the Ganga river system. Okay, which of the following statement is correct regarding National Waterway 1? In last paper also, we have discussed that National Waterway 1 stretches from Allahabad to Haldia. So first statement is right. It is primarily used for irrigation and drinking water supply. Remember one thing, national highways, national waterways, these things are meant for transport and communication. To transport agricultural goods, for trade purpose and all. Here they can tell like it is also used for irrigation and drinking water supply, then it is right. But here they gave like it is primarily used for. If it is primarily used for irrigation and drinking water supply, what is the need for building such big waterways? We can simply construct dams, right? So this is the wrong option. The Jal Marg Vikas project aims to develop infrastructure along this waterway to enhance cargo transportation. See, in third option they gave a hint. We are using it for cargo transportation. Even if you didn't get idea while reading second option, immediately when you are reading third option, you should think like, yeah, this is used for transportation, right? How can they give like it is used for irrigation in the second option? So we can eliminate second option. Coming to third option, the Jal Marg Vikas project. In the name itself, if you go with etymology, what is the Jal Marg? Waterway. Waterway means Jal Marg. And the question is also about waterway. Jal Marg Vikas means developing the waterway. So it is directly mentioning the objective. So third statement is also right. National Waterway 1 crosses the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. I don't know, but I know that it starts from Allahabad and ends at Haldia. Where is Allahabad located? UP. Haldia in West Bengal. So it starts from Uttar Pradesh to West Bengal. Even if we have basic idea of India map, we know that after UP, Bihar comes. After Bihar, Jharkhand comes. Later it goes to West Bengal. So obviously way should be like this only. UP, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. So option 4 is also right. So finally answer is 1, 3 and 4 only. Next one. The Tehri Dam built on the Bhagirathi river is one of the tallest dams in the world. One of the tallest. Okay. Which of the following statements regarding the Tehri Dam is correct? See, actually in lot of UPSC previous year questions, they have asked this question. On which river Tehri Dam is located? Bhagirathi river. Now that phase of asking direct questions passed. Now they are framing questions like this, giving 4 to 5 statements regarding a specific point and asking us to find the correct statements. Okay, coming to the statements, it is located in the state of Himachal Pradesh. See how funny it is. We all know that Bhagirathi river and Tehri Dam is in Uttarakhand. It is one of the significant dam. Even though you don't remember all the dams and the rivers on which they are, you should remember important dams like Bakra Nangal Dam, which we have seen in the last exam, and Tehri Dam, and Maharana Pratap Sagar Dam. These things you should have idea of. Okay, it is not located in Himachal Pradesh, it is in Uttarakhand. So first statement is wrong. The dam primarily serves the purpose of flood control in the Ganga basin and drinking water supply. Here also they mention primarily. See, dams are obviously meant for power harnessing and flood control, drinking water supply like this. So second statement is general one and it is right one. It generates hydroelectric power and provides irrigation to multiple states. Yes, we build such big dams to generate hydroelectric power only. And side by side we provide irrigation to many fields. So this is right. The dam has faced opposition from environmental activists due to concerns about its impact on local ecosystems rather than seismic safety. This happens with each and every dam, and to say whatever the big infrastructure government undertakes, if it is passing through a forest or some river systems, environmental activists turn up and oppose such things. So obviously 4 is right one. Here the answer is 2, 3, 4. Sorry for the mistake, 2 should be included here. So answer is D. Next one. The Ganga Action Plan has had multiple direct and indirect impacts on species conservation in the Ganga river system. Okay. Which of the following species has benefited from the reduction of pollution in the river system? See, in these years also UPSC is giving questions like this. At the outset we feel like, pollution is getting reduced, each and every species will get benefit. But it's not the case. Once read the options carefully. Ganga river dolphin. Obviously Ganga Action Plan and reduction of pollution in Ganga means Ganga river dolphin will get benefited. Obviously it is right. And Indian smooth-coated otter, olive ridley turtle and gharial. We all know that gharial lies in Chambal area. And if you see olive ridley turtle, we all know that olive ridley turtle lies in coastal area. From here Gujarat to here Odisha, all this coastal area we can find olive ridley turtle. But here they are telling that because of reduction of pollution in Ganga river system, olive ridley turtle is getting benefited. Ganga flows here, olive ridley turtle lies here. So where is the link? And coming to Indian smooth-coated otter, see here if you read carefully, Indian smooth-coated otter. Actually, Indian smooth-coated otter lies throughout the India, from northern Himalayas to south. We find it everywhere in freshwater. So obviously, Indian smooth-coated otter got benefit from the reduction of pollution in Ganga. So we eliminated option 3 and we know that 1 should be there. Answer is A. Even if you don't know about this fact that Indian smooth-coated otter lies throughout the India, if we eliminate 3 and if we know that Ganga river dolphin must be there in answer, we can arrive at answer. Okay, answer is A. Next one. Match the tributaries of Ganga with their associated cultural or pilgrimage sites. We have to be aware of major pilgrimage sites and on the which river banks they are located. If we see the options, Yamuna, Falgu river, Ganga, Sarayu river. Ayodhya, Mathura, Bodh Gaya and Varanasi. Obviously, I think everyone knows that Varanasi lie along Ganga river. So C goes with 4. We can eliminate option 2 and option 3. And coming to Mathura, the birthplace of Lord Krishna, it is along the banks of Yamuna river. Option A goes with 2. So the answer is 1. Anyhow, we'll see the other options also. Falgu river. Bodh Gaya is located in Bihar. Here only Lord Buddha got enlightenment. It is along the Falgu river. Actually, the other name of Falgu river is Niranjan river. This Falgu river and Sarayu river came in UPSC previous year questions also. So just as a valuation, I told the other name of Falgu river. Okay. And Ayodhya is located on the banks of Sarayu river. Answer is 1. Next one. Consider the following pairs of UNESCO World Heritage Sites and their features. Sundarbans, largest mangrove forest in the world, and it is home to the Royal Bengal tiger. We all know that Sundarban is in West Bengal. And obviously Royal Bengal tiger lies in West Bengal. So this is right one. And Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest in the world. Yes, we have also discussed this in the first test. Sundarbans is the largest mangrove forest in the world, not only India. I'll ask you one question. What is the world's second largest mangrove forest? Answer. Okay, second one. Nalanda University is the ancient Buddhist university located in Bihar. Yes, we all know that Nalanda lies in Bihar and it is located on the banks of Ganga. You remember this. Of course, I think most of you know this. Next one. Taj Mahal located on the banks of Yamuna river in Agra. Yes, this is also right. I'll ask you another question. What are the major cities that are on the river banks of Yamuna river? They are Delhi, Agra, already we have seen Agra here, and Prayag. Prayag means Allahabad. These three are the major cities along Yamuna. Bodh Gaya, place of Lord Buddha's enlightenment, located in West Bengal. See, this is right. It is a place of Lord Buddha's enlightenment. But it is located in Bihar. We all know that Bodh Gaya is in Bihar. Here they gave it is in West Bengal. So it is wrong. So coming to the answer, 1 is right, 2 is right and 3 is right. Answer is 1, 2 and 3. World's second largest mangroves is Peechavaram mangroves. It is in Tamil Nadu. See, world's first largest and second largest, both are in India. We should be proud of such things. Okay, moving to next question. Next one. The Ganga river system contributes to the formation of vast Gangetic alluvial plains. Okay. Which of the following rivers play a significant role in shaping these plains through their sediment deposition? Ganga river system means obviously Ganga will be there. Chambal, Son, Gandak. Generally in such questions, we mark 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you see in the options, there is no 1, 2, 3, 4. So again we have to recheck the options carefully. Chambal, Son, Gandak. Yes, Son is the tributary of Ganga. Which bank tributary? Left bank or right bank? This we have discussed in second or third question I think. Son is the right bank tributary. Gandak is a left bank tributary. So Son and Gandak are obvious tributaries of Ganga and Ganga itself is there. So 1, 3, 4 should be must in answer. If you see only B is such option. Answer is B. And why Chambal is not there? If you observe, Chambal is the tributary of Yamuna. And Yamuna is further tributary of Ganga. Here they asked, which river plays significant role in shaping these plains through their sediment deposition? Chambal deposits its sediments in Yamuna. Why it deposits in Ganga? And in turn, Yamuna deposits in Ganga. If they would have given Yamuna here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is the answer. But they mentioned Chambal, so it doesn't come. Next one. The Sundarbans Delta, formed at the mouth of the Ganga river, is a crucial ecological zone. Which of the following statements about Sundarbans Delta is correct? See, Sundarbans Delta is so much important theme with respect to UPSC. That's why we are getting repeated questions. It is the world's largest tidal halophytic mangrove forest. Yes, we have seen in last question also. It is located in Ganga, Brahmaputra, Meghna Delta. Yes, it is located in Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna Delta, near West Bengal and all. Now I will ask you one question. What is this Meghna river? What is this river called in India? It is in northeast area. Just try to think and answer. It is home to endangered species like Royal Bengal tiger and saltwater crocodile. Yes, all 1, 2, 3 are right. Answer is D. This Meghna river is nothing but Barak river. If you see, this is the Indian map. Our Ganga river flows like this. and it enters Bangladesh. Okay. And here Northeast India is there. Brahmaputra flows like this and enters Bangladesh. Here it is called Brahmaputra. And similarly, here Barak river is there. It flows like this. Here it is called Barak river. These three rivers have other names in Bangladesh. Ganga river is called Padma river. Brahmaputra is called Jamuna river. And Barak river is called Meghna river. All these three rivers join and then they empty into Bay of Bengal. Sometimes UPSC can ask these names, Padma, Jamuna, Meghna. You have to keep this in mind. Okay, answer is 1, 2 and 3. Next one. The Ganga river system experiences frequent flooding, particularly in its northern plains. Which of the following rivers are known for causing floods in the Ganga basin due to their volatile nature and heavy silt deposits? Here we should focus on which rivers are volatile nature and which carry heavy silt. Ghagara, Kosi, Gandak, Son. If you see the Ganga river system, it will be like this. Gomati, Ghagara, Gandak and Kosi. And Son will join here. If you observe, all these rivers are coming from Himalayas. And these are so much volatile in nature. It depends on the melting of glaciers also, no? How much water they carry and all. And if you see Son river, it originates at Amarkantak plateau. This is a relatively stable river. And it is not notorious like other rivers which are mentioned here. And also, we never heard about floods in Son river. Son river is a relatively stable river. So if we eliminate Son river, we can come to answer 1, 2 and 3 only. Next one. The Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1986 to reduce pollution in Ganga river. In one of the previous questions of test series also we discussed that Ganga Action Plan is the first action plan which was specifically meant for rivers. Actually, it was launched in 1986 only. Okay. Which of the following statements about Ganga Action Plan are correct? Ganga Action Plan is launched by Ministry of Environment and Forests. Yes. If not Environmental Ministry, who will launch Ganga Action Plan? So this is the obvious statement. And second statement. It focused on treating domestic sewage and industrial effluents entering the river. Yes, this is one of the objectives of the Ganga Action Plan. It is a program to reduce pollution in the Ganga river. So obviously reducing pollution means treating domestic sewage and treating industrial effluents from entering into the river. This is one of the objectives of Ganga Action Plan. So second statement is right. The second phase of Ganga Action Plan extended the plan to cover the entire Ganga basin. See, obviously we can't directly bring one program at one phase. We bring first phase, second phase, third phase like this. Generally in the first phase, we do it as a pilot program. That is, we introduce it only specific areas. In second phase, if it got succeeded, then we will extend the plan. That's what they are telling here. The second phase of Ganga Action Plan extended the plan to cover entire Ganga basin. What's wrong in this statement? It is so general. So answer is 1, 2 and 3. With this discussion, we have covered almost all the important things related to Ganga river system. We discussed in detail about tributaries of Ganga, what are the left bank tributaries and what are the right bank tributaries, major pilgrimage, that is cultural sites around the banks of the tributaries, Ganga Action Plan, what are the important species in the tributaries of Ganga, Sundarbans Delta, National Waterway 1 which is on the Ganga river, important dams, that is Tehri Dam, why Kosi is called Saura of Bihar and what is the Saura of Bengal, arrangement of cities from east to west on the banks of Ganga river, what are the important national parks along the banks of the Ganga river and its tributaries. Like this we have covered almost all the major things with respect to UPSC. If you guys also want to enhance your preparation with such quality tests which are in line with UPSC, you can enroll confidently in the Yukti Prelims test series of e-Vivekaam. Each and every question is framed after lot of research at the back end. Take a step forward and don't miss such a high quality test series. And thank you for watching.